Hello children. Did you wonder who it was today? Kate. Can you see what number box I've got? Well done. It's number 5. Number 5 today. And what shape's on my box? That's right. It's a rectangle. How did you know it wasn't a square? Well done. It's got 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And what colour box are we looking at today? Well done, it's light blue, isn't it? We've got a light blue box today. Are you ready? Shall we sing our song? What's in the learning box today? Let's have a look and then we'll play. Will it be big or will it be small? There might be nothing in there at all. Do you want to see what it is? Ready? Let's have a look. For this one, you need to look and listen. Ready to listen? Do you know what it is? It's a bird. This bird is called a robin. Shall we see if there's anything else in the box? Put your listening ears on. Let's find out. What's that? Well done. It's another bird. This bird called a blackbird. So now we've got 1, 2 birds. Do you think there's any more in my box? How many birds do you think there's going to be? Shall we find out? This one's got a different song. Can you listen? Oh! Got a bit of a chat in it. And this is called a swallow. Its tail is shaped a little bit like an arrow. We've got a swallow, a blackbird, and a robin. How many birds have we got now? 1, 2, 3. Shall we see if there's more? Oh, listen to this one. Here's cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. And this bird is called a cuckoo. Put the cuckoo down. Have we still got 3? No, we've got 1 more. Shall we see how many we've got? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 4 birds. Do you think there are any more? You do? Shall we see if you're right? You are, well done. Another blackbird. Here we go. Let's see how many birds we've got now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. Wonder what song we're going to be singing. Sometimes they get called Dickie birds. Does that give you a clue? Well done. We're going to be singing 5 little Dickie birds. But for this song, we're not taking away. For this song, we're going to be adding. And to start with 1. Okay, so we're going to have one of our blackbirds. And we're going to need a number to show how many birds we've got. I wonder if you can help me. Do you know which one is number 1? Is it this one? Or this one? Well done. It's this one. And we know because there's just 1 spot. Put that there to show we've got 1 little bird. There's a sing. Are you ready? Can you show me 1 finger? 1 little Dickie bird sat on my shoe. Oh, you put it on your shoe. You put your finger on your shoe. Along came another one, and then there were 2. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. 2 little Dickie birds. Should we change our number? Put the number 1 away. And we need to swap it for a number 2. Is it this one? Or this one? Well done. It is. This is number 2. 2. Can you show me 2 on your fingers? 1, 2. Well done. 2 little Dickie birds sat on my knee. Along came another one, and then there were 3. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. Well done. Is this the right number? 1, 2, 3. We need to change it, don't we? We need to put the number 2 away. We need to find the number 3. Can you help me? Do you want a number 3? Which one's got 3 spots? Well done. It's the yellow one. Number 3. Okay. Can you show me 3 fingers? 1, 2, 3. Can you make your fingers fly like my birds are going to? 3 little Dickie birds sat on the floor. Along came another one, and that made 4. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. Here we go. How many have we got now? Do we still have 3? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we find the number 4? Can you help me? Let's have a look. Which one is number 4? Is it this one or this one? Well done. The green one is number 4. That's 4 spots, just like our 4 birds. 4 little Dickie birds sat on my tongue. Along came another one just for fun. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. How many Dickie birds have we got now? Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little Dickie birds. Can you show me 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. What do we need to do to our number? That's right. We need to change it. We don't have 4 anymore. Now we have 5. Who can tell me which number? 5. Don't shout out. Well done. Come on then, can you tell me? That's right. Oh, thank you for telling me. I've got it upside down. That's a bit silly. They look quite similar when they're upside down, don't they? Here we go. Thank you for telling me that. I wouldn't have noticed. We've got a number 2 and a number 5. Well done. Here's our number 5 to show 5 birds. Ready? Shall we sing the song again? We do start with 1 little Dickie bird and we'll sing it all the way through. Are you ready? We do. Get your shoes ready and get your little bird. 1 little Dickie bird sat on my shoe. Along came another one and that made 2. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. 2 little Dickie birds sat on my knee. Along came another one and that made 3. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground. Fly little Dickie birds round and around. 3 little Dickie birds sat on the floor. Along came another one and that made 4. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground, fly little Dickie birds round and around. 4 little Dickie birds sat on my tongue. Along came another one just for fun. Fly to the ceiling, fly to the ground, fly little Dickie birds round and around. Can you remember how many we've got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. And in this song we weren't taking away because our number was getting bigger. We started with 1 and we ended up with 5. That's right, we were adding. Well done everybody. Good work today.